Mga shoes. Shoes lang ba to? Ah, dito mo na rin dapat lagay yung mga bag.
Mamaya na.
Kulin, patay mo yung ilaw sa CR. Sayang kuryente. Kulin. Yan, malalaki yata.
Makita lang.
Yan, pag di mo sinabi ko ilan.
Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo?
I like it. It's like a branch. So you're making a ladder for your cat. Because cats like to climb. Yeah. This is my dad, my mom, and this is my sister. I actually have a sister. And this is me. So cute. And then she's
Grabe, sinusuot pa ito ng ganito.
colors for a star.
Ang iksi ng tuda, kita na yung ano dito.
Stars all over the pool. Stars are beautiful.
Subukan mo suotin yan. Sindihan mo yung pit mo.
Yan, pag walang nakalagay na yan.
Wow, your work looks awesome.
13.
Thanks, Callie. What are you gonna write? I'm gonna
O, ito, suotin mo.
R. What's the arch with that? Meow? Some. Meow some. You are meow some. If the cat is saying
Bata.
meow some.
Okay, kids, show me your stone art. Here we go. Okay.
Miss Kay, who wins the challenge?
To be fair, I will let you want to decide. Your Instagram follower will decide. So, Bob, take a picture of your work. We will post in your Instagram page. Whoever get the most votes wins.
Kung strip ng bata. Sarili ko na ano.
On my
Fernando
Instagram
po.
story.
Kay Fernando po kaya.
What's the price of the winner?
Scissor.
50 daw. Hindi yung gift to Tita Alma. She told us I know.
Binigay ko na kahapon sa kamay niya. Ang kapit niya.
And I said she didn't.
Kahapon lang kasi. Ano na yung tabi?
Tomorrow pa.
Bakit tumuro ka?
You have to adjust. You have to make outfit ka.
Instagram page.
Ano nangyari sa paa mo, Nicole?
Oo, dyan.
They don't seem to
Ano
like
kaya?
it. How do you
Ano
want
yan?
that?
Tanggalin
Ba't
nga.
namaga?
No, it's small lang.
Tignan ka, ano yan? Tanggal mo, huwag mong lagyan
It's
ng-
small lang nga.
Tanggal mo, huwag mong lagyan ng band-aid kasi lalo tatagal mo kung ano yung mag-band-aid.
That is so cute. Please, Ellie.
Ulit ka.
Thanks,
Basta.
I love you once challenge. You're
Maan naman yan.
I fell down na.
And I love your Pinky branch.
Okay?
Oo, we're dancing.
Miss Kay, what's my prize?
Hindi, kapatid. Bakit sukat mo to?
Yan,
Sukat mo lang, sukat mo lang.
Seriously?
These are special
Ano ka ba
rocks
sa
called geodes. This is rare.
Ito, no?
When you crack them open, you will find beautiful crystal inside.
Okay, thanks, Natalie. I'm ready to open my key. Don't forget to ask our grown-ups how.
Haba?
Oo.
Kasagala ka ulit.
They will shorten it nga. That's why they didn't get it today.
Maganda ba yan? Bakit sa'yo yan? Paano na dito sa ano? Pantalon.
Yung ano, dito lang natin. Yung long sleeve yan.
Anyway, ito pa ng
Oo, tanggalin mo to. Ano ba yan? Bakit nandito pa sa ano ko?
Hindi kasya sa'yo yan, pang baby naman yan. Hindi na kasya sa'yo, pang baby nga yan. Pwede mo kung tayo sa yung pants.
What a beautiful crystal.
Ano yung pant? Wala yung pant yan.
Baby, no? Ang pants ko eh.
Look at how they sparkle.
Ito yung lalagyan ng kids eh.
Keep it. We have
Oh,
so
pink
many
na
things
pink,
to bring home your artwork and your crystal. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like our video.
Ano na yan? Hindi ako kasya sa'yo.
Bye.
Ito no?
Okay, she's asleep.
What do you want to watch tonight, Ben?
Do you watch TV often when you sleep?
Rory, not again. Come on, back to bed.
I don't want to go to bed.
Too bad, kid.
But why do we have to sleep? Why can't we just stay awake all night?
Because that's the way the world is.
Well, I'm going to make it so that's not how it works.
That might be tricky. People like to sleep.
Well, I'll take everyone's bed to the dump.
Probably to sleep on the couch.
Well, I'll take the couches to the dump too.
Oh, sounds like a big job. You need a full night's sleep for that.
Yeah, well, night. Hey, wait, no.
Come on, I'll read you a story.
You know she can't help it.
I know. Can you help me?
Oh, yeah, I've got an idea.
Wait, is it a bad idea?
Mom, are you grumpy with me?
Hindi ka ba na
No,
lang ha?
I'm okay. Come on. Once upon a time, there was a village.
Are you sure you're not grumpy?
No, I just want you to go to sleep. And in the village...
Unicorns!
Not unicorns. This episode of Bluey, unfortunately, is called Unicorns.
Roger, what's on? What are we reading?
Well, it's a story.
Here, read this. It's got a unicorn in it.
I'm not reading that.
Fine, I'll read it. Once upon a time. I wish I could read.
Unicorns. Bluey's finding it hard to get to sleep.
Ano
So
ang
I'm
ano
actually
eh,
trying to
ano?
calm things down a bit.
Like jacket?
It's gonna be hard to bear up!
Tingnan mo.
Sleep?
I don't care! I do! So how about you and your little mate jump on? I got nowhere. Trust me!
Hey, Chili.
Oh, I'm sorry, silly. Chili.
Billy, yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, Mom, please, can Unicorn stay?
Bluey, he's the most annoying unicorn in the world.
Guilty! But I can turn him into a nice unicorn. I promise I can. Right, unicorns?
Yeah.
Don't listen. Please, can you stay?
Fine. But we're reading this book, not yours. Once upon a time, there was a village, and in the village, everyone walked around barefoot.
Oh, I see the page.
Why should I care?
If you love the book, I'll come with the story.
Why should I?
The story's a nice.
My story's nice. Yeah, unicorn in it. This one has 0 unicorn. And the ending's boring. She just makes sure.
Don't spoil the ending.
Why not?
Because Bluey hasn't heard it.
Where'd you get?
Unicorns, I'm trying to make you a nice unicorn.
Okay. Oh, ito sa kanila. Where she makes shoes.
One day, the Queen decided to get off her litter and have a walk around.
Changed my mind. No way. Changed it again. Actually, I will. Up today. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah.
That is bad behavior. What? So is that?
Shall we continue?
Yes. So the Queen walked a few steps and stood on a prickle. Ouch! Of course, that's me. How would you feel if you stood on a prickle?
I feel good. I feel so good at dance.
You wouldn't dance if you tried. I'm the Queen.
But maybe she should wear some shoes.
You don't always. Anyway, the Queen discovered that her whole kingdom was covered in prickles. What was she to do?
Make shoes.
Louis! Oh, I know! You, what's your favorite food?
Children.
Oh,
Just kidding. Chicken bucket.
oh, right, look. Some chicken bucket.
Oh, thank you, my darling.
Okay, we're good to go. So the Queen had an idea. She would cover the whole kingdom in leather. That way, no one will ever stand on the prickles again. So she got to work. All day and night, the Queen worked, covering her whole kingdom in leather.
Oh,
Chew with your mouth shut.
I can chew with my mouth shut. Of course I can.
Thank you. The Queen just... That's it, I'm out.
Catch you on the flip side. Way.
No.
I'm done with it.
You can handle this, Mom. Oh, careful.
Ow! What's that? Right there. What's that cat right there?
I didn't handle this shoulder.
Whiplash! Whiplash! Hallelujah! Oh!
Look, Louis, put on your patrol, but you can't change looks. I think you're right. I'm not sure you can change anything. What can we change? Well, we can stop it. Yes. Maybe we ignore it.
Alis ka dyan, Kunin.
Give it a go.
Saan yung ano, Mark? Ano to?
Queen just couldn't do any more. He was too tired. Here he comes.
Ako
Remember?
nga, oh, matulog.
Are you really?
I'm chilly here, oh, yes, sorry. Then the jester said to the Queen, Your Majesty,
Pagpasok mo yan, doon para hindi magka...
just cover your feet.
Stop that reading. This is a very serious matter. One of you could really jump my climb.
You're right.
Halos po itong bata na.
So the Queen cut the walls of leather and made them into
Bata yun ah.
Hey,
Ito malalaki. Ito pang batang
Ayun, kulay puti, kung bata yun.
anywhere they wanted.
Pag batang malaki nga.
Perfect.
Stop reading!
beautiful. Let me handle it.
Yeah, watch it, mate.
I'll have to get a little funky. Okay, now you're the
Ang
one.
monster ni White Lady.
Oh, my right.
Ano ba yun? Kapag na...
Yeah, I was tired.
Get it now, mate.
Done.
Oh, you know what's been going on right now, honey? Oh, why not? Well, I just don't feel like playing right now. So?
Bingo.
What? Hi, Bingo. Do you want to play, Louie? Yeah. Great. Nice that you want to play with me. You know there is a way you can make people play with you. Really? How? You use magic. Magic? Yeah, you can use it to make people do anything. I'm told. Oh, show me. Okay, turn around. Watch. I can make your tail go this way. Oh, Bingo. Pretend my hand controls your tail. Oh, okay. I can make it go this way. Wow. This way. And whack. Look at this. And it's not just tails. I can do this. Look. Teach me. I'm sure. I guess Mom won't mind. This episode really is called Magic. Okay, Bingo, let's do this. Try to magic my ears. It's not work. You've got to be more dramatic, like...
Sino susuot nito?
Okay, try again. It worked. You know magic.
Atong aso.
Now when someone doesn't want to play with you, just make them. They from... Is there anything else I need to know? Well, there was something else Mum said.
bike sa akin ito.
O, panglimang kahon.
What's going on here? Who taught you how to use magic?
Sapatos na pang kids.
I should have known. And did you teach her the most important rule about magic?
Panglimang kahon yan. Ayan.
The rule is never use magic for cheekiness.
Oh yeah, that's right. Like cleaning the house and baking the dinners. We'll bring the pizza boy. You can't just bring the pizza boy.
Ang daming pambata. Ito.
Yes.
Ang pambata.
Don't listen to her. The pizza boy is not the solution. They don't I need your help. Not your magic to mine.
People should play with you because they want
Wala
to,
akong pangalan
not
sa
because you make them. Otherwise, it's not playing.
1. Lagay mo to doon, oh. Bilangin mo muna to. Daddy, bilangin mo muna to, dali, oh. Lagay mo doon. Bilangin mo muna to. 1. Kunin mo, dali. May pang-babing, ano. Ilan?
$14.
10?
14.
14? Ito pa. Sama mo na to. Tsaka yan, tingnan mo nga kung ano yan. Short.
Bata yun, pambata.
Ito.
15.
15.
15 na lalaki.
15 na malalaki. 15 na pantalon, malalaki. Pantalon. Hmm. 15. Ano pa? Asa yung ay, isama mo yung pambabae.
Wala naman naka-poise-poise yung sinampay mo sa labas.
Oo. Matuyo agad yan mamaya.
Wala kang poise.
Beng, tingnan mo, Beng.
Mukha.
Beng, tingnan mo.
Ang ganda ng gown.